Hi everyone, me Rose back, and I'm here to stay, and I'm from Shoes of Hollywood doing some Shoes of Hollywood shoe reviews for you guys. Some generic brand shoes, but these are some gorgeous ones. So these are a €38, which is about a US 7. So we're going to unbox them, see how they fit, as I am a 7. And these already look like a Rosie favorite, and I'm already obsessed. Look at these. They are in that gorgeous shiny black. They've got the shiny black straps with the gold buckles upper and down near the top of your foot. They seem like they've got the squishy soles, and I'm going to measure this, which I'm pretty sure it is a 6-inch, but just to show everyone, because they don't actually display the size of the heel on the box, we're gonna say it's about, yeah, 6. There you go. And now I'm very excited because I saw a glimpse of these before. We'll see how they work. Okay. So how's that meant to come out? That doesn't seem right, because that's got a... Hang on. Okay, so we figured it out that these actually don't come apart. They're just there for show. So we're gonna put our foot in there. They're more like a Slingback. That's probably why they've got the stretchy strap. So, and then pull it over you. So that's obviously just for show, those buckles. So if you can get your foot in there, luckily I could. Alright, let's start again. Not too bad. Oh yeah, they're comfortable. Obsessed. Alright, we're going to take these outside for a little walk. Okay guys, it is very hot and humid out here, the Australian heat, but we're doing this just for you guys. A little walksy. Alright, so we made it outside. Okay, and if you want these shoes, there's only one pair, one size in my size, US 7. If you want these Rosie shoes, we will put the link in the description for you to buy. So if you like the video, make sure you give us a massive thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, see you later guys, bye.